Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and it's Monday morning, and I thought I'll give you an update on my RevShare world or my online marketing world. Um, so I made a post on Friday about my top six money making programs for November, and it made me think a lot over the weekend that um, I think I'm spreading myself too thin over so many programs that I'm currently in. And many gurus warn us against focusing on too many programs. And I'm thinking I'm making that mistake now. But let me go through the programs and then you maybe see why I've got mixed feelings or I'm not sure what I should do from now on. But yes, my top six is my paying ads. A new one is my paying crypto ads. It's basically these two are actually the same. It's just that the currency, the one's in dollars and the other one's in Bitcoin. You can buy in Bitcoin with my paying ads as well, but you've got the currency risk of the dollar Bitcoin exchange rate risk. So I haven't started yet, but I'm planning to move all my Bitcoins out of my paying ads to my paying crypto ads. My paying crypto ads haven't launched yet. You can register so long, but I think they're going to launch in the next week or two. And then I'm planning to make a big investment into that. And that's also one of the reasons why I thought I should actually just focus on my paying crypto ads and my paying ads instead of all these other programs because once again, I've been disappointed by other rev shares and other programs, but my paying ads has never faltered, has never let me down. It's just going on regardless of all the stuff that has happened to them as well, like the PayPal saga in December 2015. They survived all that, and they're the biggest rev share now. And it's all to do with management and the attitude of the owner, Uday Nara. So he's launching this one now. So that's why I'm not skipping around on rev shares, and I'm planning not to start a new one unless any of these two programs go down. I want to focus more now, but I still invested in other programs that are still also good programs, but these two are my best two programs. So I decided, well, why should I spread myself so thin between all the other programs? So yeah, I'm going off the point now again. So my third favorite is my 24-hour income. Also, it's still growing. Been paying, it's still young compared to my paying ads. My paying ads is 19 months old. My 24-hour is about 2 or 3 months old, but still going very strong. Zookle Ad Network launched in 1 April. It started with a bang and then it went down because the owners, Jeremy Rushton and the admins, they started focusing on Zooko and other things of Zooko. And the investment in the ad packs of Zooko Ad Network went down. So the returns went down as well. So in the last 2 months or 3 months, the returns have been terrible. But I have noticed it's gone up again. They've made some changes and they're expanding the advertising network and they improve the surfing. So I think it's going to draw some new money and it's already doing that because I can see the returns are coming back. Because in Zookle Ad Network, I actually invested most of my money for 6 months ago, rather say 6 months because was 1 April, and but I've only pulled out about $60 from here. Whereby with my paying ads, I didn't make my biggest investment here, but I've already withdrawn $500. I've withdrawn double what I've earned so far. So in that sense, Zookle Ad Network has been disappointing. but I think it's because of the owners haven't focused just on one program. They're trying to help everybody. They are trying to be kind. I've joined all the other programs. They're launching more programs now, but I decided I'm not going to join anymore. Um, so I'll focus on Zuko, because Zuko, that is my number six. That's more multi-level marketing, and it's much less risky than RevShare. So the business model of an MLM is much more solid. But I have changed my strategy with Zuko completely. I was in three different funnels, the 10, 25, and 50. I've cancelled all of them besides the $10 funnel. I'm just in the $10 funnel, and I recommend everybody to do the same. Don't go into risky, because the big disappointment here was we thought that thousands of people will join Zuko, and many of them did, or they did join. Thousands did join, but not all of them are paying members. I think a couple, say 600-700 of them are paying customers. So I'm going to wait my $10 to fill up. Then I'll go to the $25. You need three at each level. And then I'll go to the 25, then 50, then 200. I cancelled my 25 and 50 because I'm just paying in every month. Although on my $50 channel, I got a new member. Um, yeah, it's just I'm gonna lower my risk, and that's also I'm gonna practice what I preach basically, because I tell other people, if you join Zuko, start with the $10 and then work yourself up. I started Zuko when I only had the $50, so that's why I had the $50. But I also joined the 10 and 25 because I thought I'll get three people very fast with spillover. And that's also another thing I learned, is that you cannot rely on spillover in any MLM. I've been disappointed by spillover time and time again. So yeah, and then okay, so and the other one is THW Global. That's been disappointing. I still like THW Global, and I think there's a lot of potential behind it. But it's been very disappointing that they stopped the free, or the you can still join for free, but make money without paying for membership or any of those things. Basically is on hold now because they stopped international surfing for everybody outside of the US. So unless you can only recruit US members, it's not beneficial for the US members or for international members who want to join for free to join. And most people don't have money. They want to get started. They want to, because I think THW Global is an excellent stepping stone to get started with making money online for free, and then using that money going into rev shares or so on. Because rev shares you must have money, and MLMs you must have money to start. So that's a big barrier for 95% of people. And THW Global filled that gap, but now they stopped the viewing until they found advertisers for us. So hopefully they will fix that soon. It's been 2 weeks now. So the fire is a little bit gone down now, or the excitement. So I'm not going to promote THW Global aggressively anymore until they open up the video viewing again. And that brings me back to my paying ads and my paying crypto ads. These two are they're going to be they are still my number one programs, and I'm going to focus a lot on my paying crypto ads now because it's a new program, and I'm just moving some of my dollars into Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is a good hedge against the dollar, and it's also good for diversification to have money in dollars and Bitcoin. We've got the option to use a Bitcoin. Why not go for it? Bitcoin is a lot in the news now. The price is just going up. So there's another possibility that besides getting the 120% return on your ad packs in Bitcoin, you can also benefit from gaining in dollar terms, and it will also be in rand terms or any other currency, because I believe Bitcoin will outpace any other currency in the world regarding its strength and its return. Um, so yeah, so that is my update on RevShares. I just want to show you my last month. I'm still in these programs. FutureNet is still going strong, but I'm not investing any new money. I'm just my ad packs. They are just I'm just buying new ad packs and growing it, but I'm not promoting FutureNet. What's nice is they, besides the $50 ad pack, they also got a $10 ad pack now. So I think the snowball effect will increase. Although they say the returns is 20% less on the $10, I think because it's a small amount and you can buy ad packs quicker, it's still going to outpace the $50 one. Ford ad pays, they're still busy with restructuring. You cannot get money out. You're very lucky if you can withdraw money there, so that's been disappointing. New bucks, I still um, I'm still with new bucks, and I'm still clicking the ads, but I'm struggling to make money with new bucks. And after 6 months, I'm on the edge of giving up on new bucks and stop wasting my time on that. Genesis Mining and Dragon Mine is still going strong. I'm getting paid every day with Genesis Mining. The money's being paid into my wallet every single day. Um, if you want to try it out, I'll recommend try out Genesis Mining. If you want to try Bitcoin mining, but as you might know, I don't encourage Bitcoin mining, although it is exciting and so on. If you do the sums, it takes too long to get your money back. It takes more than 12 months, even with the current Bitcoin price. The last time I worked out, it was 17 months, and then the Bitcoin price went up. So it came down to 14 months. I'm not sure what it is exactly now, but I'm sure it's more than 12 months still. And it's just in the internet world and even in the offline world, 1 year to break even is too long. It's too risky. So I recommend if you want to make Bitcoins, rather join my paying crypto ads. You get 10%, basically more or less 10% net per month. You get 120% after 2 months back. So you get your 100%, your initial investment back, plus 20% after 60 days, or basically 2 months. So after 60 days, you've got all your money back plus 20%, and you in profit immediately. So that's why the risk is much, much lower with my paying crypto ads. And that's why I recommend going for RevShares. The only difference is you've got to click 10 ads every day. You can buy serve-free positions as well, but that's extra money. Then you don't have to serve your ads every day. But at the moment, I'm surfing my ads every day. So yes, that is a good way of making more, Bitcoin, or earning Bitcoin, but also being able to buy advertising and getting your money back plus 20% or 120% on your advertising spend. And that is what RevShares are. So yes, that's my update on my RevShare world. This is my website. I think many people don't know about my website. I don't really promote it because I don't update it. And lately, I've only been updating it once a month. Yeah, you're welcome to go and have a look at colinbrasendale.com, and you'll find my website here with some more details, or you can read more about me and my programs on here. So yes, thank you very much for watching. If this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. If not, you can give us a thumbs down. Please comment below, let me know why it gives a thumbs up or thumbs down. And if you want future updates on my money making programs online, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, that will help me a lot, and will help my channel a lot to grow my online business. Yes, if you've got a channel, please share it with me, and I'll also go and support you on your YouTube channel. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.